Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Lego Caveman set. This was promotional, I forget when, a long time ago. I've just been sitting around and I thought I would unbox it. So it has 11 pieces. It's just the minifigures, but it's got a little rip. That's sad. The little cave box is pretty decorative, so let's slide this off. It's got a heart hanging above it. Little spider, little skull, some cave carvings. That's cute. So to open it, I think you push down. You don't want to break it. Be so careful. Oh, and there they are. They're just right there. There we go. Leave them in there. I'm not going to pop them out, but they each have a club, and they're dressed in their animal skin clothing. Well, that's pretty cool. All right, that's the Caveman set. Thanks for watching.